Welcome back to Overheat, Newmar Dutch Star, 2026. Performance and chassis. The 2026 model is probably going to be based on the Spartan K2, which is made for better ride comfort and stability, or an upgraded Freightliner Custom Chassis. You may anticipate a strong Cummins diesel engine, probably the ISL or X12, that generates enough horsepower HP and torque pound-ft to easily handle grades and pull big loads. For maximum safety, our braking systems and engine or exhaust brakes are probably also standard. Outside, the Newmar Dutch Star has always had a sophisticated yet practical external appearance. We may anticipate a more contemporary appearance for the 2026 model, complete with new graphics, front and back LED lighting, and the possibility of clearcoat body paint. A huge automated awning, a large tailgate in the underbody storage compartment, and perhaps an outdoor entertainment system with a TV and speaker are anticipated standard features. Luxurious interior. With a range of flooring choices, the 2026 model will have a more elegant interior. Real hardwood and other premium materials are to be expected. Gourmet Kitchen, full-size stainless steel appliances, including an oven, convection microwave, induction cooktop, and residential refrigerator, are usually found in the kitchen. Cozy master bedroom. A king-size bed with a soft mattress is usually found in the master bedroom. Advanced technologies features. The package will include touch panels to operate different car functions, integrated navigation systems, smart home control systems either Newmar's own or from suppliers like SilverLeaf, and perhaps wireless charging technologies. Heating and cooling options include tankless water heaters for limitless hot water, and dual or triple air conditioners with heat pumps. Generator. A strong onboard diesel generator with automatic start-to-stop such as the Cummins Onan Quiet Diesel. Electrical system. Advanced battery charging. A sizable inverter. And perhaps solar panels for longer off-grid periods. Water system. Water filtration system and a black tank cleaning system.